Dad, I was bleeding the brakes on my car the other day and realized I don't really understand how hydraulic brakes actually work. Why are they so effective?
Good question, Steve. Hydraulic brakes rely on Pascal's principle. Pressure applied to a fluid in a closed system is transmitted equally in all directions. That's how they amplify force.
So pressing the brake pedal somehow increases force at the wheels?
Exactly. When you step on the brake pedal, you push a small piston inside the master cylinder. That piston pressurizes brake fluid, which is incompressible. The pressure travels through the lines to larger pistons at each wheel.
So it's not about pushing more fluid, just pushing it harder?
Kind of both. The system multiplies force by using different piston diameters. Say the master cylinder has a 1 square centimeter piston, and the caliper piston at the wheel is 6 square centimeters. The force is multiplied by a factor of 6 at that wheel.
So I use less force, but the caliper does way more work?
Right. That's mechanical advantage through fluid pressure. And because the fluid is sealed and continuous, it works instantly and evenly on all wheels, assuming no air bubbles.
That's why they say to bleed the lines, right? Air compresses.
Exactly. Air reduces braking efficiency because it absorbs pressure instead of transmitting it. That's why brakes feel spongy when air's in the line.
What about ABS systems? Do they work differently?
ABS adds electronic control on top of hydraulics. It rapidly pulses the pressure using solenoid valves to prevent lockup. But the fundamental brake force is still handled hydraulically.
Man, fluid dynamics, pressure ratios, piston areas, all so I can stop at a red light.
Behind every smooth stop is a beautifully engineered system doing math in real time.